Here she is, just walking by me amidst distractions. I don't have to pull at her, yell at her. Some dogs over here about to start barking probably. On one side there's a lawnmower, other side some dogs about to bark. What she is looking. Oh, there's a lady over there too. But she's aware of the danger. She's alerting and letting me know somebody's over there. She ain't trying to attack nobody or get out of control. Then just staying. She is looking. She gonna continue to alert me until she feels there is no danger or no possible threat, but she still stays with me. We get into this concrete place. I'm gonna make her lay down. Nutz-so. Mozo. 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 Good dog. Stay. Cause I'm gonna walk away. See, I ain't holding the leash or nothing back here. She's a good girl. And then I'm gonna walk past her. I'm gonna tell her to stay. I'm gonna walk onto the middle of this bridge. Well, I'm gonna walk past her the other way, then walk on the bridge. But I'm gonna tell her to stay. Stay. I'm gonna walk past her again. I'm gonna tell her to stay. There's still a lady over there in that yard. There's still a lawnmower and a weed eater. See, I didn't even tell her to stay that time. She's just listening from the original time. Stay. She's watching me. She ain't moving though. Now I'm gonna tell her to come to me in a minute. Mozo. Mozo. See, from far away, I still have control. Just have to say it loud enough for her to hear me over everything. Link up. Leash is getting in her way a little, but here she comes. She's right beside me, just like she should. Good dog. Good dog. Good girl. Good girl.